Vertex AI is an end-to-end platform for machine learning development and deployment. It includes a suite of new products and services to support MLOps. I'll introduce some of the key pieces: Vertex Pipelines, Feature Store, and Model Monitoring. The backbone of the Vertex MLOps story is Vertex Pipelines, which lets you automate and orchestrate your machine learning workflows. Vertex Pipelines is scalable, serverless, and cost-effective, and supports GCP standard enterprise security controls. You can focus on specifying your pipelines without worrying about infrastructure, and you pay only for the resources that you use. When pipelines execute, run metadata is automatically logged. This allows lineage tracking, reproducibility, comparisons across runs, metrics visualization, and more. Let's take a quick look at how these pipelines are defined. Vertex Pipelines supports two easy-to-use Python SDKs, KFP and TFX. Pipelines are built using reusable components, and many pre-built components exist, including those for Vertex AI services. Here, we're building an AutoML image classification workflow. We'll just compile this pipeline and run it right from the notebook, like this. Then, we can view the running pipeline in the console UI. While the pipeline is running, or after it is finished, you can view the pipeline step logs and generated artifacts and metadata. And if you want to build your own components, this is easy to do as well. Automating orchestration is not the complete picture, though. One common set of pain points revolves around feature engineering, feature reuse and sharing, serving features at scale and with low latency, and avoiding training serving skew. The Vertex Feature Store helps solve these problems. It reduces the cycle time of ML deployments by making it easy to share, discover, and serve features at scale. After you've trained, evaluated, and deployed your model, you're not done. You still need to pay attention to the performance of your model over time. If model drift occurs, it may be necessary to retrain or tune the model. Vertex Model Monitoring helps with both alerting and diagnosis. You can set up a monitoring job for a deployed model and get alerts when there are anomalies. You can configure monitoring objectives for model features and get distribution stats.